Hello everyone. In this video, we will consider the installation procedure of workstation versions of nanoCAD and 3DScan. When the installer file is downloaded, you can open it by double-clicking on the execution file. After the extraction of the installation file is finished, the program language selection window will appear. You can choose one of 5 suggested languages in which the program will work after installation and activation. Confirm your choice, and a Setup Wizard dialog box will appear. There are no important settings in this step, so let's click on the Next button, and we will be moved to the next dialog box. Here you should read the end-user license agreement and agree to the license terms of use to proceed to the next step of the installation. The following dialog box allows us to configure the installation path and the modules to be installed if you purchase them. When you click on the Install button, the installation of the application will begin. After successful installation, the registration wizard will automatically start, where the nanoCAD registration procedure will be started. If the registration wizard does not start automatically, you can use the registration wizard application. You can choose from 3 options. The Enter the serial number to get a license file option starts the procedure for obtaining the license file. The Manually Activate License File option allows us to specify the path to the license file if we received it earlier by email. And the last, Connect to License Server option allows us to connect to the license server if we have a network license. To start the program activation process, select the first option, Enter the serial number to get a license file. At the next stage, you will need to enter your serial number, which you can find at the link below. Insert the serial number and proceed to the next step. Here you need to specify your email. Confirm the action, after which a window will appear warning us that the license will be attached to this device. Next, to get a license file for your computer, you also have 3 options. The first, Request License File Online option is the most commonly used. This option activates the license automatically using an internet connection. If the first method fails, use the second, Request License File by Email option. It allows you to automatically generate a request letter and send it to our license server, and then you will receive a reply letter with the license file. If you have an email application installed on your computer, it will be opened automatically. If there is no internet connection on your computer, use the third Save License Request to File option. It allows you to generate a request file, which you need to send to our technical support by email from the internet-connected computer. The last 2 options allow you to get a license file that you will need to activate manually. To use this file, you need to run the activation procedure again by opening a program that hasn't been activated yet, or by using the Registration Wizard application, where you need to select the Manually Activate License File option on the first step. If you have an internet connection, let's choose the easiest activation option, Request License File Online. After a small amount of time, if all steps have been done correctly and you have a nanoCAD activation key, the program will be activated. If you receive an activation error during the process, please use one of the remaining options. After you have installed the nanoCAD platform, you can start installing the 3DScan module. Let's open the 3DScan installer. On the first step, click Next and go to the End User License Agreement, where you need to check the box to agree to the terms of use. Click Next and go to the next step where you need to specify the installation path. I highly recommend leaving the default path. Press the Install button, after which the installation of the module will start. Complete the installation by clicking Finish. After the installation is complete, the registration wizard will open automatically. If it does not open automatically, you can use the 3DScan launch shortcut, which will automatically start the activation procedure. You can also find the registration wizard in the path where the module was installed. There are similar activation options here as in the case of the platform. Let's select the Enter the serial number to get a license file option and click on the Next button. Here you need to enter the serial number, which you can also find in your personal account at the link below. Insert the serial number and proceed to the next step. Here you need to enter your email address and then click on the Next button. Confirm that the license is attached to this device by selecting the Yes option. There are also 3 options for obtaining the license file. Let's choose the easiest option, Request License File Online. After a small amount of time, the 3DScan module will be activated. If you have any questions, please contact our technical support by email. support@nanocad.com